What's up, guys? Today we're going to turn this into this key. So one thing I'd like to note before we even get started with this video, this is the key fob to a 2017 Toyota Tacoma. This is the key fob to the 2018 Jeep JL. It's massive. It's crazy how much bigger it is. Jeep, take a hint from Toyota. Don't need all this size. So anyway, let's get to the kind of unboxing. Got a package from AJT Design, and it is a new key housing. I'm really excited and waiting for the JL. They have one for a JK, nothing for the JL yet. I did email them and they said they were working on it, so that's cool. Well, thanks for your order card here. Facebook and Instagram. So we went with the red screws and then the cement gray housing. Here's more. Looks like a decal and another card warning you not to use Loctite or any other kind of thread locker. These are little Allen screws and a spring in there. So what we're gonna do is take the guts out of this one and put it into that one. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm gonna start by removing the key out of it. So you just press a button, the key comes out. Once again, Jeep, take note. We'll set that aside. Here's the key fob next to the new one. We'll open the new one up. So this is the bottom and top, and this is the little button. And then so in this one let's pry it open here. So flathead screwdriver. It's also, if you need to change your battery and your key, this would be the way to do it. A little larger flathead here. Yeah, it works a lot better. Just pry it open. And this isn't mine, so I'm probably being more careful than I need to be. So open it up and it exposes the insides to it. So we need to take these out and set these aside. The buttons, will reuse them with the new one. So want to be careful with them. Make sure that they're in the same orientation. Set those aside. Oops. And then we'll want to take the components out of here to place them into this one. And there's a little tabs here that keep them. I don't know if it'll focus in. If you can see these little tabs, that's what keeps them secure. And then that whole little module comes out. And there's the battery and chip and everything. So let's set that aside. We'll set that one into this one for now, just to make sure we have it out of the way. So see if we can get it. Yeah, that's where the spring rests. So you'll put the spring in right in there, and then the button will, and the button side has, or the other side has a groove as well. So it'll sit right in here. So what I'm going to do before doing this, let's go ahead and get this other side set up. So the top was the lock, and there's little grooves in there So to get it in, we're going to have to kind of put it at an angle and snap it in place. So once your buttons are in, then you can put your gasket back in. Now here's what I think is going to be the fun part, which is getting the screw in and this top on. So what I'm trying to do is squish that in there and then place the top on it. This. Yep, and it popped out. Awesome. But hey, it goes on without it fine. So let's see if we can get the spring in there. Okay, let's see if it worked. Key snaps in. Okay. So snaps in all right. It looks a little funky there. Guess it needs just to work in. Okay, there you go. So yeah, it works. I think once he uses a little bit, I don't think he ever used this key. So it's kind of like the JK one or the JL one. It's only if you lock your keys in the car or something. Yeah, so looks awesome. Cool. Well, thanks for watching. As always, please like, subscribe, and comment down below.